Lost phone at the cafe.
Excuse me, I think I left my phone in this cafe.
I'm sorry to hear that. Where were you sitting?
I was at the small table near the window.
Okay, what does your phone look like?
It is black and it has a blue case.
Let me check the table first. Please wait here.
Thank you. I am worried.
I understand. Many people forget things when the cafe is busy.
I had a coffee and a sandwich. Then I answered one message.
Did you put the phone on the table or in your bag?
I think I put it beside my cup.
I do not see it on the table now. Let me check our lost and found box.
Thank you. I hope someone gave it to you.
Here is a black phone with a blue case. Is this yours?
Yes, that is mine. What a relief.
Great. Could you unlock it for me, please? I need to be sure.
Of course. Here, the screen opened.
Perfect. Then it is yours. A customer found it on the chair.
That was very kind of them. Thank you for keeping it safe.
No problem. Next time, check the table before you leave.
I will. I was in a hurry this morning.
It happens. Would you like a bag for your sandwich box?
No, thank you. I have everything now.
Good. Have a nice day and take care of your phone.
I will. This phone has my ticket and my notes.
Then it is very lucky that you came back quickly.
Yes, I am glad I checked my bag outside.
Good. It is always better to check before you go far.
I will. Thanks again for your help.
Preparing for a speaking test.
Emma, can we practice for the speaking test now?
Sure. I brought my notebook and the question list.
Great. I feel nervous when I speak in front of the teacher.
That is normal. We can start with easy questions.
Okay, please ask me something simple first.
What do you usually do after school?
I usually go home, eat a snack, and do my homework.
Good answer. Try to add one more sentence.
After that, I sometimes watch a short video in English.
Much better. You sound clear.
Should I speak fast or slowly?
Speak slowly and clearly. The teacher needs to understand you.
That makes sense. What if I forget a word?
Use a simple word. You can also say, "Let me think for a moment."
That phrase is useful. Let me write it down.
Now I will ask another question. Tell me about your best friend.
My best friend is kind and funny. He helps me with math.
Nice. Can you say why you like him?
I like him because he listens to me and makes me laugh.
Excellent. Your answer has a reason now.
I feel a little more confident.
Good. Confidence comes with practice.
Can I ask you one question too?
Yes, please. I need practice as well.
What is your favorite place in the city?
My favorite place is the park because it is quiet and green.
That was a strong answer. I think we are ready to continue.
Let us practice one more part with short answers.
Okay. Short answers help me speak without fear.
Exactly. Simple English can still sound natural.
I like that. It makes the test feel easier.
Hotel breakfast buffet.
Excuse me, is this the breakfast area?
Yes, it is. Welcome. Breakfast is served here until 10 o'clock.
Great. I am staying in room 101.
Thank you. Breakfast is included with your room.
That is good to know. Do I need to show my room key?
Yes, please. I just need to check your room number.
Here you are.
Thank you. You can choose anything from the buffet.
What do you have this morning?
We have eggs, toast, fruit, yogurt, cereal, and fresh bread.
That sounds nice. Is there any coffee?
Yes, coffee and tea are on the table near the window.
Perfect. I like coffee in the morning.
There is also orange juice and cold water.
Do you have anything warm besides eggs?
Yes, we have warm potatoes and small pancakes today.
Great. Are the pancakes sweet?
A little. You can add honey or jam if you like.
I will try 2 pancakes and some fruit.
Good choice. Plates are at the start of the buffet line.
Thank you. Is this table free?
Yes, you can sit there. It has a nice view of the street.
Nice. The dining room is calm today.
It is usually quieter before 8:30.
That works for me. I have a meeting later.
Then enjoy your breakfast and take your time.
Thank you. Everything looks fresh and clean.
You can also ask me if you need more napkins.
Thanks. I may need one for the coffee.
They are beside the cups, but I can bring some too.
That is kind of you. I will start with fruit first.
At the shoe repair shop.
Hi, I need help with these shoes.
Of course. Please put them on the counter.
The bottom of this shoe is loose.
Let me take a look. Yes, the sole is coming off a little.
Can it be fixed?
Yes, we can repair it. It is not a big problem.
That is good news. I like these shoes very much.
They still look strong. Only the front part needs glue and pressure,
How long will the repair take?
usually 1 day. You can pick them up tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning is fine. How much will it cost?
It will be $12 for one shoe.
Okay. Can you also clean the sides?
Yes, we can clean them for $3 more.
Please do that too. I want them to look nice.
No problem. Do you need them for a special event?
Yes, I have a family dinner this weekend.
Then we will make them ready before that.
Thank you. Do I pay now or tomorrow?
You can pay when you pick them up.
Great. Do you need my name or phone number?
Yes, please. I will write your name on this ticket.
My name is Tom, and my phone number is here.
Thank you. Here is your pickup ticket. Please bring it tomorrow.
I will. Thanks for explaining everything.
You are welcome. Your shoes are in good hands.
Should I keep them dry after the repair?
Yes, please. Do not wear them in heavy rain tomorrow.
Okay.
That will help the glue stay strong.
I see. Thank you.
Birthday cake order.
Good afternoon. I would like to order a birthday cake.
Sure. When do you need the cake?
I need it for Saturday evening.
That is possible. What size would you like?
It is for 8 people, maybe a medium cake.
A medium cake is a good size for 8 people.
Great. What flavors do you have?
We have chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and lemon.
Chocolate sounds perfect. My sister loves chocolate.
Nice choice. Would you like cream or fruit inside?
Cream, please, but not too sweet.
No problem. We can make it light.
Can you write a short message on top?
Yes. What would you like it to say?
Please write Happy Birthday, Lily.
Okay. Happy birthday, Lily. Any candles?
Yes, please. Can I get 10 small candles?
Of course. Do you want simple candles or colorful candles?
Colorful candles, please. They will look better in photos.
Good idea. Do you want the cake in a white box?
Yes, please. I need to carry it by bus.
Then I will use a strong cake box.
Thank you. How much is everything?
The cake is $28 and the candles are $2.
That is fine. Can I pay a deposit today?
Yes, a $10 deposit is enough.
Here you go. I will come on Saturday at 5.
Perfect. Your cake will be ready then.
Should I keep it in the fridge after I pick it up?
Yes, please keep it cool until the party starts.
Good to know. The party begins at 7.
Then picking it up at 5 is a good time.
Finding the right bus.
Excuse me. Does this bus go to Central Station?
Let me check. This one goes near Central Station, but not directly there.
Oh, I see. Which bus should I take?
You need bus number 15 from this stop.
Is this the right stop for number 15?
Yes, it is. You are in the right place.
Good. I was worried I was on the wrong street.
Many people get confused here because 3 bus lines stop here.
When will bus number 15 arrive?
It should arrive in about 7 minutes.
That is not too long. Do I need a ticket before I get on?
You can pay with a travel card on the bus.
I have a card, but I am not sure it has money.
There is a small machine next to the bus stop. You can check it there.
Thank you. If the card is empty, can I use cash?
On this route, cash is not accepted. You need the card.
Then I should add money now.
Yes, that is a good idea. The machine takes cards and coins.
Great! How many stops to Central Station?
It is 6 stops from here.
Should I get off when I see the big clock?
Yes. The stop is called Central Square near the clock.
That helps a lot. I do not know this area well.
No problem. Watch the screen inside the bus.
I will. Thanks for your clear directions.
You're welcome. Bus 15 is coming now.
Great. I will stand near the front door.
That is fine. The driver can help if you are not sure.
I will listen for Central Square.
Good plan. Enjoy your trip across town.
Dance class registration.
Hello, I saw a sign for beginner dance classes.
Yes, we have a beginner class on Tuesday evenings.
I have never taken a dance class before.
That is completely fine. This class is for new students.
What kind of dance is it?
It is a simple social dance class. We practice basic steps.
That sounds good. I do not want anything too difficult.
The teacher starts slowly and explains each step.
How long is one class?
Each class is 1 hour.
Do I need special shoes?
Comfortable shoes are enough for the first lesson.
Great. What should I wear?
Wear comfortable clothes. You need to move easily.
Is there a trial lesson?
Yes, the first lesson can be a trial lesson.
How much is the trial lesson?
It is $5. After that, you can join the monthly class.
That sounds fair. Do I need to register today?
Yes, please. We keep the class small, so we need your name.
Okay, my name is Tom.
Thank you. Do you want the Tuesday class at 7?
Yes, 7 works well after work.
Perfect. Please arrive 10 minutes early.
I will. I am nervous, but also excited.
Many new students feel that way. You will be fine.
Thank you. I am ready to try something new.
Wonderful. You can wait in the small lobby before class.
Is there a place to leave my bag?
Yes, there are shelves near the studio door.
Perfect. That makes everything easier.
Changing money before travel.
Good morning. I would like to change money, please.
Certainly. What currency do you need?
I need euros for my trip.
How much would you like to change?
I would like to change $300.
Okay, let me check today's exchange rate.
Sure. I am traveling tomorrow, so I want to be ready.
Today's rate is on the screen here.
Thank you. Is there a service fee?
Yes, there is a small fee of $3.
That is okay. Do you need my ID?
Yes, please. May I see your ID or passport?
Here is my passport.
Thank you. I will enter the information now.
Can I get some small notes?
Of course. Small notes are useful for taxis and snacks.
Exactly. I do not want only large notes.
I can give you €20 and €10 notes.
That would be perfect.
Please check the amount before you leave the counter.
I will. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it looks correct.
Here is your receipt as well.
Thank you. Is it better to change more here or at the airport?
Many travelers prefer changing some money before the airport.
That makes sense. I feel more prepared now.
Good. Have a safe trip.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Keep your receipt with your travel papers.
I will put it in my passport holder.
Good idea. It will be easy to find later.
Clothes store return.
Hi, I would like to return this jacket, please.
Of course. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, I have it in the bag.
Thank you. Let me check the date.
I bought it last week.
That is still within our return period.
Good. The jacket looks nice, but the sleeves are too short.
I understand. Did you want a refund or an exchange?
I think I would like a refund today.
No problem. Was the jacket worn outside?
No, I only tried it on at home.
Great. The tag is still on it, so the return is fine.
Thank you. I was not sure about the return rules.
We accept returns within 14 days with a receipt.
That is helpful to know.
How did you pay for it?
I paid by card.
Then the refund will go back to the same card.
How long does it usually take?
Usually 3 to 5 business days.
Okay, that is fine.
Please tap your card here to confirm the return.
Done.
Thank you. Here is your return receipt.
Thank you for making it easy.
You're welcome. I hope you find the right jacket next time.
I will come back when I have more time.
We get new jackets every Friday.
That is useful. I may check the larger sizes then.
Please do. We can help you find a better fit.
Thank you. I appreciate your help today.
No problem. I am here for helping you.
Family dinner plan.
Emma, are we still having family dinner on Sunday?
Yes, we are. Mom called this morning and asked about the time.
What time should everyone come?
I think 6 o'clock is good. It is not too early and not too late.
6 works for me. What should we cook?
Dad likes chicken and the children like pasta.
Then we can make chicken, pasta, and a salad.
Good idea. We also need bread and something to drink.
I can buy bread from this bakery near my office.
Great. I can prepare the salad at home.
What about dessert? We need something simple.
Maybe fruit and a small cake.
That sounds nice. A big cake may be too much.
I agree. A small cake is enough after dinner.
Should we invite Aunt Mary too?
Yes, she would love to come. I can call her today.
Perfect. I will send a message to our cousins.
Please tell them not to arrive too late.
I will. Last time, dinner was cold when they arrived.
Exactly. This time, we should start on time.
Do we have enough chairs?
We have 6 chairs. We can bring 2 more from the balcony.
Good. I can help set the table before everyone arrives.
Thank you. I will put the plates and glasses ready.
This dinner will be simple but warm.
Yes. The important thing is being together.
Should we make a short shopping list now?
Yes. Write chicken, pasta, salad, bread, drinks, fruit, and cake.
Done. I will check the kitchen before I shop.
Good. We may already have pasta and glasses.
Perfect. This plan feels much easier now.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.